In today's episode, 4 Asian-inspired salads to help you beat the heat. First up is a delicious glass noodle salad. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Chop half a carrot into sticks. Chop a third of a cucumber into sticks.
These are incredible glass noodles. They only need 2 minutes to cook.
Cook the glass noodles as per package instructions. Drain out the water from the noodles. Add ice and cold water to stop the noodles from cooking. Mix in bowl. 1 tablespoon cane sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Whisk. Strain out the water from the noodles through a sieve. Noodles, carrot, cucumbers, 1 stick green onion, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Mix. Plate. You can now make this easy and delicious glass noodle salad with absolute confidence. Next up, we have a refreshing, crisp, and crunchy Japanese SLAW. Half a head green cabbage. Half a head red cabbage. One carrot. Half cup green onion. Half cup cilantro. One cup edamame beans. Half cup sesame seeds. 2 tablespoons cane sugar. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 cup rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Whisk.
Just pour over that amazing dressing.
Toss. Plate. You can now make this easy and delicious slaw with absolute confidence. Next, we have an easy salad you can put together today. Japanese-inspired house salad. Iceberg lettuce. A quarter of the lettuce will be good for 2 to 3 portions. Half a carrot. Half a tomato. Quarter of a cucumber.
Remember, it doesn't always have to be fancy, but it does need to to be tasty. We're gonna dress this up with a sesame miso dressing.
Blender, quarter cup cashews, half cup water, half a tablespoon salt, half tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon miso paste, small piece of garlic and ginger. Pepper. Blend on high. Plate. Dressing. Sprinkle with black sesame seeds. You can now make this easy Japanese house salad with absolute confidence. Lastly, one of my absolute favorite salads of all time. King Seaweed Salad.
If you've been following my channel for a while now, you know I've been making a lot of incredible vegan ramens. So naturally, I'm using a lot of Japanese or Korean kombu. Now I pay quite a premium for these, and rightfully so. They're considered the king of all seaweeds. So this is what I do with the seaweed I have left over. This is the king of all seaweed salads.
Roughly 3 cups worth of kombu.
So we're gonna slice them thinly, and by thin, I mean thin. Just slice the large pieces in half. And the seaweed is quite goopy, so you have to rinse it in cold water really well.
Two tablespoons cane sugar, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Combine. Quarter cup sesame seeds.
Man, that smells incredible.
One cup worth of carrot. One cup worth of daikon. Mix. Plate. Sprinkle with additional sesame seeds. You can now give new life to your kombu in this amazing seaweed salad with absolute confidence.
It's really full circle where you can use every single ingredient and not waste a thing. This is just incredible. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.